girl Miss Senseless, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. Today, day off day. It's getting regular, you know, back to normal. Today the kids don't have no school, so it's like a 4-day weekend. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday's Columbus Day. So I don't even remember last year if they even had a little fall break or whatever, but yeah. But today I just got out the shower. It's not like I'm out of breath, but I'm not. I am actually out of breath. Just got out the shower. I was doing some maintenance, cleansing my face and things like that. I'm about to brush my teeth and get ready to start my day. If you guys haven't seen my new video with my leg wax, go ahead and do that. I'll link that up there. It's pretty good. It was a home video of where I bought this makeup, this wax kit from Amazon online, and it's called Bella Verdure, and it was pretty good. So, you know, check that video out. And like I said, welcome back. Like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, this is just basically a lifestyle vlog, so just follow me on with my day. And like I said, it's Friday. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm about to leave out. This is my outfit. Let me turn it on. My outfit for the day. Cute little, it's still like 84 degrees out here. So this is my outfit, and this is, say hey to Sean.
Hey guys, it's your boy here.
Your boy, they don't know you, Deshaun. You only be in the video. How many times you been in the video? Yeah, I think one time, maybe once or twice. You know, this is my 9-year-old, so he wants to be in the video. So yes, guys, I am heading out to go pick up my daughter. You know, my ride to die, and they'll come back. They went to their I think CJ is just gonna come. Only CJ. RJ went to his dad's house. So there's no school today, like I said. So I'm going to pick my daughter up. I have some things to do. You can see I got my camera set up back there because I want to do some videos. If I don't get it done today, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But check that out. That's gonna be coming soon. Hopefully. This will probably go up first before that. Like I said, and plus also follow me on TikTok and mi.shelly16. That's MISHELLY Shelly16. I'm about to do some I ain't saying I'm about to. When I get my daughter, we're gonna do some videos and stuff. I done did a couple of them. You know, TikTok, they're really I don't know, they deleted one of my videos saying that I violated community guidelines, which, you know, I don't understand. This is a lot of things that we, you know, talk about that like, because here go, you know, one video, oh, it's gonna get all these views and whatnot, and then here go, when you copy the same thing, you get you know what I'm saying, they take it down. We don't understand what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Why is it one is okay and then the other, unless somebody just reported it, you know? But here go, I'm on my way to just like maybe a few followers short of 10,000. So your girl is rocking on there. I'm putting up at least 2 or 3 videos probably a day, or even about 5 videos a week. So, you know, check me out. You know, I'm not just only here, but I'm also over there. Instagram, same thing. Follow me with the same name. But anyway, let me go head out. I'm gonna take you guys in the car with me and do a you know, drive over there and whatnot. We're gonna stop and go to Walmart and maybe do a few other things. So I'll be back. These little children in my subdivision just riding. Shower ain't that long. There you go.
See, I'm looking real healthy. Say hey, baby. Say hey.
My grandbaby.
You know what I'm saying? We in the car or whatever. So your girl looking.
No, we in a bus. We in a plane. We taking a plane to I don't know where.
We going to Chicago.
We ain't going no Chicago.
No, we going to Cali.
We is not going to California.
We need to go to Cali.
First of all,
you got Cali money because you've been to Vegas. If you've been to Vegas, you go to California.
I don't want to go there. First of all, we got to stop at Walmart. Which Walmart are we going to? I got to get the
Let's go to your Walmart because my Walmart over here, they...
No, I like that Walmart because this Walmart be having Deshaun juice.
Look at them. Ooh, look at that highlight.
CJ.
Birkin bag, got my baby's hair light.
My poor CJ, your mother's extra, ain't she?
If you don't know CJ, then
my grandbaby, my oldest grandbaby, he is going to be.
I don't know what to tell you because CJ,
he's going to be 9.
CJ is extra. Ain't that right, CJ? You know you extra.
Yes.
See,
Pick my hair.
you gotta pick your hair. See, period, baby. I told you to do something to that hair, but you.
I do it when I come back home.
Okay.
I'll wash it, then I'm gonna pick it.
He don't like combing his hair because it hurt, but he want hair on his head.
Yeah. You know, we all don't have that. I mean, you can do like a low haircut. You know what I'm saying? Deshaun get like a taper, a light fade.
I'm gonna be looking like I was when I was 2.
Oh, you don't wanna, okay, so you don't want to look like 2, huh?
Exactly.
I got you. You know, yeah.
He say he want to look like a whole grown man.
He want, well, you know, I would say grown man, but he want to look like, you know, a boy, but not no little toddler boy.
He said put some hair on his name.
Period. He wants some hair on his name. Period.
Oh, shoot. Lord have mercy.
Okay. So, we head out to Walmart and we'll bring you guys back in. Hey y'all, and welcome back. I don't know where I last left off with that vlog because I was having SD issues, stuff going on with my card. I mean, it was faulty. I didn't know that SD cards didn't get faulty, but they surely did. So, but anyway, I'm back with wherever I left off at. But I'm about to go out to dinner with my son's father. We're about to go eat dinner. I don't know, somewhere or whatever the case may be. But I'm about to get ready, and I'm going to I am going to add a clip of my makeup tutorial because I'm going to film that and so that you guys can see what that is. So hopefully I'll be able to take you guys with me. We'll see what happened. I don't know where we're going, but you know, anyway, I'll link that back. So I'll see you guys in a few.
It tells me.
Okay guys, okay, this is the finished look. This video will be up on, I don't know, but this is the finished look. So just look forward to this this look coming up. I hope you guys like it. So like I said, I'm about to head out for dinner. I don't know, but I'm gonna see if I can take you guys with me. I don't usually kind of vlog with other people unless it's me and my kids or whatever, but I don't know, I'll see how maybe he feels about it. I don't know, all I can do is try. But hey, this is pretty much the finished product. So I don't think I look too shabby.
You look
Anyway,
cool.
the sun, thank you. The sun done went down, so
Can I
you know.
Among Us?
Yes, you can. The sun done went down, so I had to do a hurry up look. And catch the natural light. I like kind of the natural light kind of thing, you know. So we're going out to eat with Daddy, right?
Yep. Can
Yep.
you insert the password so I can play Among Us?
Password for what?
I still
Okay.
don't know what.
So let me do this. All right, let me get my shoes on and stuff. So, okay, guys, I will be back in a little bit.
Hold on, take all your selfies, get your live videos ready, let everybody know we're getting ready to go live in under an hour.